We are pleased to show you the 2008 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.